Alright, let me take this mask off and try this, bro. I have to take my mask off because it is. I don't know how to do this. You know, I'm in the front of the camera, nobody in the room, it's just me right now. And right in the center of a video. Hello? For sure. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm just waiting on my 6 o'clock and then I'm coming back for my 7 o'clock. Yo, I'm here. I'm just up here. Yeah. Alright. Yes, sir. What's up, YouTube? Good evening, good morning, wherever you are, YouTube. This is your boy, Brandon, Klassix Barbering Company. B. You're gonna call me a lot of things. You're gonna have people that call me a lot of things throughout the course of this channel. I'm gonna walk you through it today. I got a video for you. I got some things to show y'all. I got some cuts lined up for you. All week, every week, cuts, low cuts, blowouts, tempers, tapers, all that. A skin taper, the ball taper, even with a little blowout on the side, a deep temp, which we call in Florida is the deep temp. The one I'm gonna show you today, it's a Caesar with a deep temper. My long-term client's long-time friend. Let me explain something. His hair, I gotta create his hairline. This video is about creating a hairline tip fade, but he came a couple days ago. This is what this video is about. I'm gonna do another take for sure. I'm definitely doing another take for sure.
Took me a little clear your mind run this morning.
You gotta get in. Gotta get in, man. Call me the ganja farmer.
This shifter line?
What?
Shifter line?
It's on SoundCloud. almost forgot. Did you like my intro? Be honest. Did you like my intro? It's gonna be on every one of them. I'm trying to get it, you know what I mean, right? And it's gonna be on every single one of the videos at the top of the video. But, you know, let me know down in the comments if you like that intro too.
Winning lottery numbers coming up. Lottery numbers coming up.
Welcome to my channel, bro. This is you know, I had to take the mask off. I'm glad to have this mask off. You know, we're living in a testing time right now. It's a lot going on. Stand by your brother, stand by your sister, love somebody. Love is real, love is the answer. But today, you know, just come by with me. I got a lot of beats. Real quick, I was in the middle of editing and I thought about something. Y'all like the beats? It was dope. It's from my family, cousin, bloodline, lottery music. Y'all check that out, man. Comment, like, share something. Tell me something. Oh, hold on, it's getting foggy. I stepped outside. That's fam. If y'all like those beats, the Lottery Music on YouTube, the Lottery Music on Instagram, the Lottery Music on everything. So, everything we got going on. I'm a little low vibe right now, and trust me, it's Friday right now. I've been here since 7 o'clock. I'm gonna put you where the time is in this video so that you know what's going on. 6 o'clock on a Friday, I'm still here waiting on another one. So if I look tired, I am, but I'm gonna always bring y'all energy. I'm gonna always bring y'all energy. Subscribe to the channel. You know, like this video, comment, send it to a friend. Trying to grow, bro. 'Tis the season to make sure you're growing. Put this mask back on because it's almost 6 o'clock. I got another one. But while I'm cutting him, y'all enjoy this video.